just wanted to show you the chain. I really don't see any of the links messed up. Again, there's a lot of debris and detritus in here, but I honestly don't see how that could affect the operation of it. But who knows? I mean, the new chains I got are beautiful looking. Here they are in the packaging. So that looks so nice and pretty. Hopefully that will make the difference. All right, now that we got the poly belts off, so just remember that if you want to get into this whole gear head, or I guess they call it the drive assembly, you need to take off the poly belts. All right, moving on to step whatever. So replacing that bushing. This is the old one that came out of it. And I believe this actually acts like a set screw. You can actually see the set screw mark right there. Yeah, that little, if it would focus. There, yep, see that little metal C? That's where the set screw is digging in to make sure the bushing doesn't pop out. And it's very greasy, so I think I'm going to lubricate the new one as I put it in there. So this is the one of those gears, the one that goes, excuse me, one of those ones that goes on the arm apparatus right there. It has 2 ball bearings in it, and it's held together by what is called a retaining ring. I call it the bane of my existence. So I'm going to try using really small needle head pliers to get this sucker out, because the big ones won't even fit in those 2. And that's in there really good. All right, guys. So these are the kind of pliers you need if you want to get a retaining ring out. Otherwise, I spent 15 minutes on that last one trying to get these out. I don't know how I got the first time with these, but these I did it literally instantaneously. Right tool for the right job. This little guy, I hate him. Okay. Now I'm assembling this arm apparatus. There's the parts. Well, I should have probably replaced this. I don't know if that's going to matter. This little metal ring's cracked in half. And this kind of looks worse for wear too, but it's probably fine. I really want to replace this ball bearing though. Alright, don't want to tighten this too much. You want to still be able to spin. Not too loose either. Still spinning. So that's that. You got a new tension spring in case that was part of the issue. Alright. Now to start putting it back together inside here. Oh. Don't forget to replace these in case something's wrong with these teeth. In case you're wondering, the answer was 3/4. Here's the tricky part. These need to be braced. You don't want to break them anymore. So I'm going to need to find a piece of wood. Okay, so here's my latest problem. Finally got these bolts off the front. I had to wedge pieces of wood kind of braced up against it into these teeth because otherwise these things just want to spin freely. But now I think that these sprockets are actually threaded onto this screw. They're not just, can't just pull them off. That would be too easy. So what I'm going to do is wedge a piece of wood between the cutter head and the roller wheel here to arrest this free spinning movement. I'm going to take this piece of off-cut cherry I got here and actually spoke shave it, because it seems like the easiest tool to kind of give it a more wedge-like shape, and just wedge it in between these two. Now this may be a dumb idea, but I don't have any other ones, so internet, feel free to make fun of me. Alright, I got my piece of wood wedged in there, and I'm going to take this mallet and this wooden block and try to snap this thing loose. Yeah, this one just comes right off. Go figure. Yeah, this one is still seized. Lefty loosey, right? Am I hitting it the wrong direction? Okay, I think I need to make my wedge narrower so that it fits deeper in there, because it's not holding. Alright, wedge is in there deeper. We got it. That took way too much work. It's kind of hard to see here. Finally spinning loose. Whew.